Today we'll be talking about hamburger, not just any hamburger. How about a 5-pound hamburger that is over 2 kilograms by weight? And this is something good to give for Father's Day. That's what's happening this weekend. So this is Father's Day, and because everyone celebrates mother and thank mothers, I totally agree, but everyone forgets about the fathers out there, which put in all the sweat and hard work to raise the family. So this episode is especially for the fathers out there. This burger is so big, I challenge you to complete it by yourself. All right, if you like the sound of that, let's get into cooking. Well, I hope you enjoyed the recipe because this burger is huge, it's bigger than my head. And I thought finding a bun this size would be hard, so I decided to make my own. I thought this would be very nice if you're thinking of something to give to the fathers out there. Maybe make this burger and challenge your dad or your husband or your guy friends to complete it and see who can finish as much of this burger as possible. I mean, it's over 2 kilograms by weight. By the time you add your drink, your fries, and everything to it, it is quite a lot of food. But anyways, this will definitely feed those hungry dads. Okay, well, I guess that's about it. Make sure you subscribe and like the video if you haven't yet, and share with your friends and family so that they can also discover this beautiful, gigantic burger. All right, well, we'll see you on the next episode again. Bye now.